Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I think I know what's in here, but as usual, I'm not 100% sure. Thanks so much to all of my generous patrons for supporting me during this time. If you'd like to get your hands on some of these cool stickers, there is, of course, a link for my Patreon down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and get into this package. This was sent by my buddy Mike, and like I said, I'm fairly positive what's inside, but I don't know for sure. So we're going to use the scalpel to gradually get in there. Oh man, master of the cutting arts. Bear witness. Here is a box and a note. Hang on, let's see here. Oh, wait a sec. This is okay. This is a gift. Holy cow. This is interesting. So this is that knife, the LA police gear knife that everyone was talking about a while back, that is in S35VN. Now, I'm going to have to brush up on this because I remember there being a little bit of controversy with this knife, but I'll tell you what, right off the bat, I am fairly impressed with the fit and finish overall. A little bit sharp on that disengagement on the liner lock, but I mean, yeah, I can see why people kind of went crazy for this. It says S35VN on the blade, and it's got a deep carry clip. It's got contour G10 handles, right? I mean, yeah, I mean, this is a functionally good blade. I'm gonna have to find out, and by the time you guys are watching this, I will have, you know, gathered the necessary information here. But this is still something that was, for a brief moment, a very potent part of the knife world. And so yeah, I want to talk about stuff like this. Yeah, I mean, what did these come in at? Were they like around $50 or something like that? These were interesting knives, and I think, you know, like, I'm thinking now, yeah, definitely something I want to talk about. But gosh, that was really nice to send it as a gift. Holy cow. Thank you very much. So let's see here if it shows. Oh yeah, he says the price. It was $39.95. This was a $40 knife that supposedly was in S35VN. Now, before you rush off to buy it, though, I will say on this one, don't do that, because, you know, like I said, there's controversy surrounding this thing, and whether or not that was actually heat treated properly, or if I'm remembering correctly, whether or not it was actually S35VN, but I don't know that for sure. I want to find out all the details. This is still an interesting knife, and I'm very much appreciative you know, I'm so sorry, John, thank you for sending this. That was really, really cool of you. In any case, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.